The foundation footing of this Florida condominium in Pumpkin Cave was deteriorating. The concrete suffered from severe weakening, and the condos faced dangerous structural compromise. The foundation was treated with our unique patented oXoCrete solution that did not require a reapplication under more difficult reapplication conditions. The condo now thrives with residents living in this structurally sound condominium complex. We rehabilitate and protect your concrete. We are OXO H2O Solutions. Visit us at oxoh2o.com.